Ah, yes, my friends, it is time. It is time to order your garden seeds for the spring. And this is Prepping with Sarge, guys. I'm very happy to announce for you all that I'm in another year-long partnership with Pinetree Garden Seeds, www.superseeds.com, for a discount code for you all. It is going to be, of course, again, Sarge15 for 15% off. Now, here's a couple kickers with this. It is a one-time use, and I'm going to tell you what I think is going to be the best time to use it in just a second here. But Pinetree Garden Seeds, I want to say I've been working with them since 2009 in terms of for my own garden as a prepper and homesteader. I find them to be the best source from my garden seeds, and I want to tell you that they have heirloom seeds, they have organic seeds, they have flower seeds, they have sprouting seeds. For those of us who are preppers and homesteaders, sprouting is a very good skill to learn for food self-sufficiency. But they have phenomenal stuff, and I've had really good results with all their seeds over the years. So the discount code, again, is going to be Sarge15, and it is going to be good till the end of 2026, and it's a one-time use per family. Okay, one time. So for me, what I'm going to recommend for you all is if you're watching this in time, they do have a good sale coming up at the beginning of January. So at the beginning of January, look for this starting sometime after January 1st. If you order more than $50 in seeds, then you are going to be eligible for free shipping. So then plug in my discount code on top of that and see if you go ahead and get an extra discount. I think they were trying to work that out for us. But even if you don't get both, that free shipping is probably worth it. And then if you don't end up using my code this time, you're going to be able to use it the next time you order for your fall seeds. All right. So this is Pinetree Garden Seeds. Love these guys. Been working with them in my own personal garden for food self-sufficiency for my family since 2009. They have heirloom seeds, they have organic seeds, they have hybrid seeds, they have sprouting seeds, they have everything you could possibly need to do your victory garden. Okay, so that's www.superseeds.com, and once again, you want to use discount code SARGE15. And look for that sale. If you catch this video in time, look for that sale at the beginning of January, okay? Keep planting your seeds, keep stacking your silver. This is Prepping with Sarge.